Chandra Reddy Garu, the President of NAREDCO Telangana, to please step forward to deliver the vote of address, welcome address to all of us. Please, sir.
This occasion is important to us as we have the opportunity to acknowledge our gratitude for all the proactive initiatives taken up by the Telangana state government that have resulted in creating a conducive environment for the growth of the industry. The effects of these initiatives has also positively impacted the IT and ITES sector in Telangana, with 3 of the Fortune 25 companies having their largest campuses outside of the United States of America. Google, Amazon, and Qualcomm have their biggest campuses outside US in Hyderabad. The state recorded a staggering IT-ITES exports growth of 26.14% for the financial year 21-22. The growth in IT-ITES jobs translated to creation of new employment of 1.5 lakh jobs in the city of Hyderabad. According to the Oxford Economics and World Economic Forum, Hyderabad is the world's 4th fastest growing city, projected to surpass a GDP of US $200 billion by 2035 from $50.6 billion in 2018. So I think this augurs well for all of us in the real estate industry. Of course, all of us have spoken about how Kitex was brought into the state of Telangana when Kitex was planning to move out of Kerala. The government of Telangana swung into action and ensured that all the investments of Kitex came to the state of Telangana. And the way Kitex was lured into coming into Telangana, during COVID times, there were no flights, and Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu ensured that he sent a private jet and made sure that the chairman and the entire team of Kitex came to Hyderabad. Today, it is translated to an investment of 3,200 crores, providing 25,000 jobs in the state of Telangana. Hats off to the government, sir, for all the proactive initiatives. Some outstanding achievements of the government in the last 8 years are as under. Telangana ranks number 3 in the Business Reforms Action Plan 2019. It is the bulk drug capital of India with 40% share of total production and 50% share of total exports. Ranks 3rd in API formulations in the country. It has the 2nd highest number of operational SEZs in the country. Telangana has 30 operational SEZs. It is the major tech hub. It is home to the 10 of the most valued tech companies in the world. It is the life sciences hub of India. 35% of India's pharma production is undertaken in the state of Telangana. Niti Aayog has ranked Telangana as number 1 in the performance category and overall as number 2nd best in the country. Hyderabad also ranked 2nd globally in the 6th edition of JLL City Momentum Index. Hyderabad has consistently ranked on top of Mercer's Livability Index. The Mercer Livability Index is based on 39 different parameters, and it gives us great pride that we have consistently ranked number 1 in India. This survey is conducted across 450 cities in the world. Of course, how the government has taken care of the physical infrastructure we've all seen. When all of us were under lockdown, we've seen how the government has given us good, nice roads. So hats off to this government for creating physical infrastructure in terms of flyovers, in terms of underpasses, junction improvements, and they have done a great job with regards to improvement of the infrastructure. In the last 8 years, several industrial corridors, the regional ring road, the metro rail corridors, have all unlocked the potential for new markets across Telangana. The state's strong fundamentals and robust infrastructure has given immense boost to the real estate sector. Today, the Telangana government's focus on strategic development initiatives to accelerate economic growth, increased infrastructure investment, creation of high-skilled jobs, and high levels of foreign direct investment are all characteristics that define Hyderabad. This has paved the way for growth of new corridors of residential development, thereby boosting the development of residential projects across all segments from affordable to luxury. Of course, sir, in a state which has done so well, where the development is so picturesque and so beautiful, of course, there are a couple of problems. We have already taken it to the notice of Gandhi Garu also. Sir, there are issues with Dharni, sir. The latest press reports have said that there are close to 10 lakh issues in Dharani. And unless the Dharani issues are taken care of, sir, this is a burning issue, sir. This is not specific only to Hyderabad or a particular district. This is across the state of Telangana. 10 lakh grievances, sir. So there are, believe me, sir, marriages are put on hold, medical care is being put on hold, a son's education is being put on hold only because the actual purchaser's name is not mutated in the records. So we sincerely request the government to kindly look into Dharani issues. We will of course give you a more detailed representation. Thank you, sir. Thank you for. I once again thank our guests of honor, Arkapudi Gandhi Garu and Banu Prasad Garu, for taking their valuable time out. Thank you very much.